everyone, welcome to today's session. In our last session, we are completing addition with different methodology, then estimated total and estimated value for the given set of numbers. In today's session, we are going to see about one new topic, that is subtraction with a different methodology. PEP activity number 3.10 in page number 68 children. Pearls are packed in thousands. There are 5 bags with 1,000 pearls in each. Sanavi bought 2 bags. So here they are giving 5 bags. Strike off 2 bags to know how many remains. Because Sanavi bought 2 bags, so we have to strike it off 2 bags. There are dash bag remaining. We have to count the remaining bags. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags are remaining. The number of pearls remaining are dash. 1,000, 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000, 2,000 after that 3,000. Yes, 3,000 pearls are there. Totally 5 bags. In 5 bags, total we have 5,000 pearls. Sanavi bought 2 bags, so remaining pearls are 3,000. Next, what happens to a number when you subtract it from another number? We have to subtract 2 numbers, means what the difference between the first number and the getting answer. The quantity of a number reduces when we subtract a number. When we are subtracting one number from another number, the quantity of a number will be reducing. For example, 7 minus 5, we are getting 2 because 7 is reduces to 2. Like that, when we are subtracting any number to any number, the quantity of a number will be reducing. Next, activity number 3.11, look around activity in page number 68 children. Why do we need to subtract numbers? Why we are subtracting numbers? For example, when we are giving some amount to shopkeeper, he have to give remaining amount of us, means there we are using subtraction children. Like that, why we need to subtract numbers? You have to write your response here children. List places where you have used subtraction in your everyday life. For example, we are using a shop, we are giving some money to one person, means after that we have to collect money, means how much money we have to collect. Like that, we are using subtraction. Like that, what are the places did you use a subtraction in your daily life? You have to write the name of the places children here. Next, we are coming subtraction without regrouping method. To subtract numbers, we take away the smaller number from the bigger number. We have to subtract any number to any number. We have to take first bigger number. Bigger number to, we have to subtract smaller number. Subtract 2,317 from 5,859 by taking away beads from the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands places. Count the number of beads that will remain. For example, they given 2 numbers. Here 5,859 is a bigger number, so we have to write the first number as 5,859 as beads. 1,000 beads, hundreds beads, tens beads, ones beads. 5,859, we have to write the place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In ones place there are 9 beads, tens place there are 5 beads, 5 strings of tens. Thousands place, hundreds place there are in 8 batches of hundreds, then thousands in 5. So 5. For that we have to subtract a number 2,317. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. In ones place we have to take away 7. For taking away, we have to strike it off the number from the given number. We have to write the same batch. We have to taking 7 beads from ones place. Here ones place we are taking 7 beads. Then in tens place we have to take 1. So we are taking 1 string. Then 3 in hundreds place we have to strike it off 300. Then in thousands place we have to take it out 2000. So we have to strike it out 2000 beads. Then we have to count and write how many beads are remaining. In ones place 1, 2. So 2. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. In hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. In thousands place 1, 2, 3. So therefore we are getting 5859 minus 2317. We are getting the result as 3542. Like that you have to use the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place values as beads, then subtract the given numbers, children. This is one method of subtraction without regrouping method, children. Hands-on activity. Activity number 3.12 in page number 69, children. Use a spike abacus to subtract the following numbers. Write the answer in the space provided. One has been done for you. Option A, 8357 minus 4324 equal to. First we have to put ones, tens place for the given set of numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then ones, tens, hundred, thousand. First we have to put beads for first number. In ones place 7 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In tens place there are 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In hundreds place 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Then thousands place 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then minus means we have to strike it off the given numbers for the second value. In ones place 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in tens place 2. So 1, 2. In hundreds place number 3. 1, 2, 3. In thousands place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we have to add the remaining number, then write the number. In ones place 1, 2, 3. So 3. In tens place 1, 2, 3. 3 in the tens place. In hundreds place there are no beads, so we have to write 0, children. In thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4. So in thousands place number 4. After that we are getting 4033. Like that you have to do the remaining sums. In first B option, in first number 6869 minus 3405. First we have to write the ones, tens, hundred and thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Then 1, tens, hundred, thousand. First we have to put beads for the first number. In ones place there are 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In tens place number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In hundred place there are number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In thousands place number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second number 3405. In ones place we have to strike it off 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens place 0. 0 means we have to strike out the number. Then hundreds place number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In thousands place number 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we have to count the remaining number, then write the answer. In ones place 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sorry, here ones place number 4, tens place number 6. In hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4. In hundreds place number 4. In thousands place 1, 2, 3. In thousands place number 3. 6869 minus 3405, we are getting 3464. Like that you have to do the remaining sum. Pause the video here. Do all the sums. Now check your answers, children. whether you are doing correct or not. If any wrong means, rub it and do it again, children. See option 7568 minus 7250, we are getting 318, because in thousands place 7 we are strike it off all the numbers, so we are getting 0. See option 6842 minus 2021, we are getting 4821. D option 9852 minus 5431, we are getting 4421. E option 9452 minus 1242, we are getting 8210. Like that you have to get the answer, children. Here are the steps to subtract numbers without a spike abacus, place kit or a spike abacus. Subtract number 2341 from 7556. Step 1. Identify the bigger number. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. We have to identify which number is the bigger number. 2341 from 7556. For a bigger number, we have to see the first digit of the thousands. Here 7, here 2. 7 is a big number, so 7556 is a bigger number. Step number 2. Start subtracting from the ones place. Then we have to write the first bigger number, then smaller number. Then we have to subtract as it is in the addition. We have to start subtract from ones place. 6 minus 1, we are getting 5. 3. Proceed left till the highest places. Ones to ones we are finishing, then tens, hundred, thousands. 5 minus 4 we are getting 1. 5 minus 3 we are getting 2. 7 minus 2 we are getting 5. Totally, therefore 7556 minus 2341 we are getting 5215. Like that you have to subtract the number bigger number from smaller number, children. Next, activity 3.13 in your studio book, page number 71, children. Use the method that you are most comfortable with to subtract the following numbers. Now we have discussed subtract without regrouping method, subtract using spike abacus, subtract without spike abacus method. In 3 method, which method is most comfortable for you? You have to use that method, children. First option A, 3659 minus 1437. For that you have to use your rough note and subtract these numbers, get the answer. You have to write the answer only here, children. For the first option we are getting answer 2222, children. B option 7658 minus 5342, we are getting 2316. 5763 minus 2310, we are getting 3453. Subtract 2045 from 9878, you are getting 7833. Subtract 3485 from 6897, you are getting 3412. Subtract 4650 from 9872, you are getting 5222. See, children, you have to do all the sums in your rough note, then check your answers are correct or wrong. Then you have to write the answers only in your studio book, children. Next quick tip. Observe the following sets of subtraction. You have to observe following sets of subtraction. See option A, 9745 minus 10. For as in the addition, we are adding 10 to the number, means what? There is a change in tens to place. Same as for the subtraction, we are subtracting 10 in 10 means the difference in 10th place. See here, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. We are subtracting 10 means the result will be difference in 10th position. See here, 10th place, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Difference in 10th position. 4, here 3. Then B option 2136 minus 10, we are getting 2126. The difference in 10th position. Option C 8490 minus 10, we are getting 8480. 90, 80, 9, 8. There is a difference in, yes, 10th position. In which place did the digit change? Which place? Yes, 10th place. Tick the correct option. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, difference in tens. Next, subtract the following numbers. Option A 9341 minus 100. Next, subtract the following numbers. Option A 9341 minus 100 dash. 100 means the difference in, yes, 100th position. 100, tens, hundreds, thousands. So difference in 100th position. So we are subtracting 3 minus 1. We are getting 2. 9241. The difference in 100th position. 1402 minus 100. We are getting, subtract 4 minus 1. 3. 1302. Difference in 100th position. 7647 minus 100. There is a difference in 100th position. So 6 minus 1. 5. 7547. Like that you have to subtract the numbers. In which place did you change the digit? Tick the correct options. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, hundreds. Next, observe the following sets of subtraction. Fill in the box with the number that is subtracted. We have to write the number what is subtracted from this number. Option A 4750 minus what number equal to, we are getting 3750. See the place values, children. There is a difference in ones place? No. There is a difference between in tens place? No. There is a difference between hundreds place? No. There is a difference between in thousands place? Yes. We are difference in 4, here 3. So the difference in thousands place means we have to subtract 1000 in the given number. B option 7841 minus one set of numbers is equal to 6841. The difference in thousands position. So we are subtracting 1000. C option 5548 minus, we are getting 4548. So the difference in thousands position. So we are subtracting 1000. The digit in which place has been changed? Yes, 1000 position. We have to tick thousands. Next, activity number 3.14 in your studio book, page number 72, children. Subtract the following sets of numbers. This is your home fun activity, children. See, you have to subtract 10, thousands, hundreds for the given already in the quick tip. You have to use the quick tip. Then you have to subtract these numbers, children. Then to subtract tens, hundreds or thousands, we just count backwards in tens, hundreds or thousands. See, count backward. If we are subtracting one number, tens, hundreds, thousands means we just count backward of the number in tens, hundreds and thousands. Like that you have to subtract the given numbers. Next method is subtraction with regrouping method. Let us subtract 3128 from 5296. Means first we have to write bigger number, then second place smaller number in place value method, children. Then you have to follow these steps. Step number 1, borrow 10 from the tens place. At the same time, reduce the digit in the tens place by 1 as shown. See, first number is 5296 minus 3128. From 6, we are subtracting 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow a 10 from the tens place. So we have to get a 10 from tens place to ones. We are getting 10 plus 6 is 16. So we have to take the 16 here, write it here. Then we are taken away 1 from 9. We are getting 8. 9 minus 1 we are getting 8. Like that we have to get a tens to ones place. Then step number 2, subtract the digits in the ones place. Then we are going to normal subtraction method. 16 minus 8, we are getting 8. Like that you have to subtract the number. Step number 3, subtract the digits in the tens, hundreds and thousands. You have to see this number only, don't see this number. 8 minus 2, we are getting 6. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 3, we are getting 2. Therefore, 5296 minus 3128 equal to 2168. Like that, you have to subtract for the given numbers. Then borrow a tens place to ones place as same as for the hundredth place and thousandth place also, children. Like that, you have to subtract remaining numbers in the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Like that, you have to subtract the numbers, children, in subtraction with regrouping method. Next, activity number 3.15 in your studio book, page number 74, children. Subtract the given sets of numbers. First question, subtract 5196 from 8377. Which number is a big number? Yes, we have to write 8377, then 5196. Then 7 minus 6 is number 1. 7 minus 9 is not possible. So we are getting 110 from 100th position. 3 minus 1 is we are getting 2. So 110 means 17. So 17 minus 9 we are getting 8. 2 minus 1 we are getting 1. 8 minus 5 we are getting 3. Like that you have to subtract the numbers, children. Next, second one, subtract 4831 from 7258, children. First we have to write the bigger number, 7258. 4831. 8 minus 1 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 8 is not possible. So we are getting 100 from thousands place. So we are giving 1 means 7 minus 1 is 6. We are getting 100 means, so we are getting 12. 12 minus 8 means 4. 6 minus 4 means 2. Like that you have to subtract the numbers, children. In example we are seeing 10 position to ones place. Here 100th place to tens place. Here thousands place to hundreds place. We are getting any number borrow means 10. We have to add the number. Then you have to subtract 1 from the getting numbers, children. Like that you have to subtract the given set of numbers. Now we are coming end of today's session. In today's session we are discussed about subtraction without regrouping method, with regrouping method, normal subtraction using Spike-Abacus method. Bye bye, children. We will meet in next session. Bye bye.